If a certain coin is flipped, the probability that the coin will land heads up is 1 out of 2. If the coin is flipped 5 times, what is the probability that it will land heads up on the first 3 flips and not on the last 2 flips? So this question is actually making our life a little bit easier here because they are telling us the sequence, the order in which our coin flips must occur. So we need heads on the first 3 flips and then tails on the last 2 flips. And so what this means is if they're telling us this is the order, this is the only arrangement we care about. And so we do not have to worry about alternate arrangements. And so this probability here is just going to be, well, there's a 1/2 probability of getting a heads on any given flip, and there's a 1/2 probability of getting a tails on any given flip. And so if we want a heads and another heads and then another heads and then a tails and a tails, so when and scenarios we just multiply. And so this is just going to be 1 over 2 to the 5th, which is 1 over 32, which is E. And the point I want to make, though, is if the question had asked, if it just said a coin is flipped 5 times, what is the probability of getting 3 heads? Well, that would be a different question because now you couldn't just write out and solve for this probability because this is only one possible sequence. There are other ways that you can get 3 heads. You can get it like this, or you can get it like this. And so you would have to multiply your probability times all the different ways that you can get 3 heads. So it would be a different question completely. And so the fact that they give you the sequence, though, makes it easier because you only have to take into account one combination. So that's just 1 over 32.